BytePhase April 2026 Release Summary. Employee Commission Management in BytePhase. Profiles, periods, adjustments, and dashboard. How to set up employee commission in BytePhase. Enable the commission module. Choose your commission trigger. Commission on payment or commission on fully paid invoice. Refund commission. Choose automatic deduction to pull the commission back if the job is refunded or keep the commission with the employee even after a refund. Calculate commission on. Choose revenue means the commission is calculated on the total ticket value. Profit means the commission is calculated only on what you actually make after parts and costs. Commission approval. Choose yes for auto-approve or no for manual approval. Commission categories. Decide where commissions apply, jobs, sale, or both. Final step, assign job commission. Now link the commission profile to your employees. Open the employee's profile, enter either percentage or fixed amount, not both. Select the right commission rule and save. From this point forward, every job they handle will automatically calculate their earnings. No manual tracking, no missed payouts. Customer ledger and accounting. Complete double-entry accounting system. Customer ledger with debit/credit tracking. Receivable summary with opening balances. Ledger inside customer profile with export. PDF/Excel. Here you can set opening balance. You can see total debit, total credit, and closing balance of the customer. Employee performance report. Here you see advanced performance analytics with charts, Excel export support, activity summaries, and improved reporting accuracy. BytePhase is getting even more powerful with brand new integrations. Zapier integration. Now connect BytePhase with thousands of apps and automate your workflow easily. Meta lead integration. Capture Facebook and Instagram leads directly into BytePhase without manual entry. ShipRocket shipping integration. Manage pickups, deliveries, and shipment tracking more efficiently. Card machine payment support. Accept card payments smoothly and improve your customer payment experience. PhonePe improvements. Enjoy faster, smoother, and more reliable UPI payment handling inside BytePhase. These updates are built to save time, improve automation, and help you manage your repair business more efficiently.